Hello, CBS Army. Today I wanted to give a short update on Elrond's technical analysis. Just wanted to follow up on the previous technical analysis and thinking along the lines of where are we heading towards from this point onwards. So let's get started. Welcome to Crypto by Sire. In this channel, I'll recommend some of the underrated cryptocurrencies for life-changing gains. So if you're loving money and cryptocurrencies, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon so you're currently updated my videos. Remember, the giveaway for 1,000 Meyer Exchange tokens, MEX tokens, is still live, and all you have to do to make sure you're in that giveaway is like the videos, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and follow the rest of the steps in the video description. Let's jump straight into the technical analysis of eGLD. I have the 4-hour chart on Binance USDT pair, linking to the previous video that's going to be floating anywhere here. This is the chart that I laid out in the video, and we're just going to follow up on that. And what I noticed that after this consolidation period, it's starting to do another breakout, and it represents a pretty textbook pattern, which is a bull flag. So we saw this huge pull and then consolidation, and the smaller the consolidation, the bigger the breakout could be. And remember, this is a 4-hour chart. This is not very long term. We're talking middle to short term range here. And if it breaks out again from this 89 to $90 range, we could see the length of this pull as a profit target. So we're expecting anywhere around $115 eGLD if it manages to break out this $90, $89 resistance. Currently, the EMAs are all acting as support. Like the current rate is around 88.5, and all the EMAs, 20, 50, 100, and 200, all of them are acting as support, which means it's a good sign of a breakout. And if it manages to break this $90 threshold, which was one of the previous supports, and we could see gain as much as 30%, right? Straight up from the point it breaks out, not from the point we get in right now, because we need to test first, because it could be a fake breakout. But you should be very careful when you're jumping into these short-term trades, as market is very volatile along these times. And we're also seeing some good volume, considering or comparing the past 4 candles, the volume is pretty low, but now it's starting to come back. And if it follows this volume and manages to break out, then we're seeing again as much as 30%. And we are on track to profit targets like $104, 115 is pretty close to 118, and then as much as 144 and beyond. Like, those are very long-term targets, not exactly long-term, but middle to short-term. But currently, it's still under sub 100 regions. So that's kind of a middle ground targets of 140s and anywhere around 200s, right? I am specifically an eGLD investor and holder. I don't trade a lot of eGLD. I usually just buy them and dollar cost average and just stake them, right? But for traders, this is a perfect setup. Wait for this candle to break out, and when you confirm that it is breaking out, and you can just jump into that trade, and make sure to manage your stop loss somewhere around the bottom line of the bull flag, around this region, which is $78 and $79, which it did touch a couple of times. So it's a good support now for this closer short-term play here. All right, so that's pretty much it on the update I wanted to give. I saw this opportunity and I wanted to share this with everybody. This was a very short consolidation, and these are the 2 levels that I plotted last time. Like, these are 2 buying levels. It perfectly did consolidate to this region, did this at least low of 80. I managed to enter around the 79, did test a bit, but it just didn't go below 79 too much, right? It managed to pull back up, and it means that buyers are still active, and they want to drive this to a new high this for this short term play. So I really think if this breaks out, we're gonna see a huge rally up, just like we saw this rally up. It doesn't look that good at the volume, but if you kind of zoom in, it shows that it's a very big volume. So all right, that's pretty much it on the short update on eGLD. Let me know in the comments where you think we're heading towards for Elrond in this ride, and I'll see you in the next one.